Join us in this video as we learn how to manage adjustments to reservation advances that occur post check-in. Navigate to the Reservation tab in the navigation bar. Next, select the Reservation List tab located in the navigation bar. Click on the Edit button in the reservation list to modify a reservation. Enter the amount in the Amount field in the Advance Details modal. Select a payment method from the Pay Mode drop-down in the Advance Details modal. To add the advance, click on the Add button. Select the Add button in the Advance Details modal to save the advance payment information. A receipt for the advance payment has been generated. The advance sum is noticeable. The Advances and Payment Information section displays the payment details. Next, click on the Reservation List tab found in the pop-up. The advance amount is visible here in the reservation list. Click on the Check-in button in the reservation list to proceed with the guest check-in. Click the Check-in button in the Check-in reservation modal. Click the Create Check-in button on the navigation bar. Click the List drop-down menu on the navigation bar and select Advance Receipt List. The advance list shows the amount of advance that has been posted. Tap the Modify button to alter the advance payment choices. The amount on the advance posting form can be adjusted. Click on the Post button in the Advance Posting modal to submit. Click on the Check-in List button in the navigation bar. Here is a list of all the check-ins made. Click on the Home tab in the navigation bar to return to the main dashboard. Click on room number 304 to edit its advance details. Click on Advance Posting. Enter the desired amount in the Amount field of the Advance Posting modal. Click on the Post button in the Advance Posting modal. Select room G7 from the ground floor section on the dashboard. Right-click on room G7 and select Advance Posting. Enter the amount of 2000 in the Amount field in the Advance Posting modal. Click on the Post button in the modal to submit the advance posting details. Click the List drop-down menu on the navigation bar and select Advance Receipt List. The advance list shows the room number alongside the amount details. Updated advance is displayed as per modification. Consequently, modifications to reservation advances that take place after a successful check-in are carried out efficiently.